up, everybody? You got Face here at Tampa Harley-Davidson. All right, I really want to showcase this one because this is my personal favorite. This is the 2017 Street Glide CVO in the Starfire Black. Now you got a lot of great upgrades already being a CVO. You got LEDs all the way around. You have your upgraded dash in it as well, so it's got a nice, really great custom look. Ape hangers. Now this bike has less than 10,000 miles on it. All right, you got the Milwaukee 114, the upgraded Boom 2 audio. You got the front speakers as well as in the lids. Great sound with the slim line dual exhaust Rinehart. So it's a great bike. Come see me. Let's go for a demo. You're gonna love it.